Hi, how are you? Today I want to review the VariTyper folding typewriter, and then I want to compare briefly with the Hammond multiplex folding typewriter. Actually, it's from Hammond to the VariTyper, just changed the name. At that time, it's exactly the same, more than 98%, and then little bit changed very small thing. Of course, their name changed, right? Like this, and then also a little bit different is here for inch character. It's we can choose 11 or 15, right? But this one is 11 or 15. I mean 14. That's a little bit different. And then shape a little bit different. This one have this both sides, but this one there is not kind of what is a guide or something like that. So I already made the video for this one. At that time, I made something. I mean, I didn't realize something, so I added that kind of information here, more detail. So today, the main focus is VariTyper. Okay, we can interchange the letter shuttle. This one. Also, we can use this letter shuttle to the Hammond multiflex, not folding one, the standard one. Also, we can use this letter shuttle for the VariTyper electric typewriter. I have a model 1010. So I already tested this black letter shuttle. It works for that machine. Normally for the like this for the electric one, the letter shuttle like this color. This looks like aluminum or metal. It looks like aluminum. It's a white one, very light. So I tested this one for this, but it doesn't work. Maybe in order to use this one, maybe we need to change the shield, ribbon shield. I can show you what is the ribbon shield. Maybe I didn't bring that from the basement, but I can show you because here if you raise this one like this, then you see the scale, right? Scale after behind the ribbon there is a small scale, right? In the center, right? That's the ribbon shield. Without this one, the ribbon directly contact with the paper, so paper a little bit dirty every time we hit the letters. There is the same one. It's very hard to see this one because it's ribbon very close to the ribbon shield, but we can see this side. Let's see from the back. Where is see, this is a ribbon, right? Behind here, it's called the shield hook. That's the front one is a ribbon, behind one is a shield, ribbon shield. So that protect corrupting the ribbon into the paper, so we can block. Just there is a hole, that means hammer hit that hole to the specific letter. That's make the printing. This is a hammer, right? Yeah. Last time I misunderstood this thing, just to work for hammer, but that's my mistake. This is also work for bell. This one, we can. So yeah, there is a difference. Normally we set up the margin, right? This is a margin stop. If you set up the margin here, then automatically set up the bell here, right? But this is a different story. We need to set up bell by itself. It's a separate thing, totally different story. So that's why I misunderstood at that time. But anyway, this is a hammer, right? Also, this is a bell. So that's the different thing. I already told you we can interchangeable this shuttle and this shuttle. The bullet one also we can use for the electronic VariTyper, but the reverse case, I mean this one, we cannot use for this one without any adjustment. Maybe we can use after adjustment or after change the shield. Maybe I didn't try that. Not yet, but later maybe I can try. But also there is it's called impression strip. This one, from here, put the here and then to here, so protect for the hammer and then letter shield. It's exactly the same size with this one, so I put this one here to use for the typewriter. Actually, it's come with the Harmon folding typewriter, so I wanna use this one for this one. So later I can put the, and then this is a paper delete, and then this is a carriage release. It's a very strong spring, and then this is one line peed up. Also there is the pattern, right? It's already started to collect, but this pattern is different from the regular typewriter. They are just their role is just the feeding the paper. It's not related with the printing, anything, nothing, because printing just this hammer to hit the behind the shield, ribbon shield, and then ribbon, the between hammer and ribbon there is a paper. So just this is we can call just the roller for paper feeding roller, not like a platen. So that's the little bit different one. And then there is a still cover, but one missing here. That's the only one missing stuff from this typewriter, except that it's very complete. And then this code is paper basket. Okay, and then I will try to type this one. Okay, wait a minute. I use the old ribbon because there is inside like this one, so I don't want to take off this one. So that's why the very old one. That's why the print is not perfect, but we can see still it's a beautiful typeface. This is especially called the vertical script because it's like a very like this, so that's called vertical. And then this one we can raise up the, let's see, like this, and then we can change the letter shuttle. So I already made it for the previous video a long time ago, so you can watch them. I also took off the front the cover to see this one. I want to show you something. We can take this one like this, and then we can clean, and then put this one first, this slot, and then second the pushy. There is another slot there around here. So, and then last one is here, this side, this here. So one, and then there is under this bar there is another slot, and then this is last one. This part is the last one. So we can take all the key and bar, and then we can clean, and then we can put back. So that's another thing. And then the fold without cover, we can fold this typewriter with the cover, and then push down both sides, and then we can like this fold this typewriter, and then we can put the case outside the case. Okay, and then I told you I promised how to work the bell, this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the margin and stop margin setup, it's totally separate with the bell. Let's see the paper first, paper back. Yeah, we can adjust this here or this side like this, and then you see how it works down the space bar, and then see, yeah. So we set up separately the margin and then bell, so we can adjust to this margin step, this one, and then arrange the same position around here, and then we can change the bell stop here. So if we want to bell a little bit early, then we can move to this one closer to bell. Then the bell sound is much earlier than margin stop. Let's see. See, we can listen the sound, but still move, because margin stop behind that. Right now it's to almost the end of the carriage. So that's another thing. It's totally separate the margin and then bell. And then the behind it's almost same with the Hammond folding typewriter one, exactly same. See, and there is what I just said. This machine is protected by American and foreign patents. Yeah, I think the same exactly. This is the tension adjust for the spring, and then it's as you know, it's escapement one, and then move. Okay, so this is bed and hammer. Okay, yeah. All right, that's it. And then yeah, one more thing is this is ribbon reverse, like this, and then like this, and then also you can wind up like this. Yeah. Okay, it's very VariTyper is exactly the same with the Hammond, but it's very rare. It is not easy to find. It's like a very nice one. So I was lucky. Also, when I bought this one, it was totally adjusted, so it looks like a broken one. So I got a huge discount for this one. But after home and back home, I compared to the folding Hammond folding one, and then I readjust everything. After that, it works perfect, as you see, like this one. So this is a very good statement. The aim of argument should not be victory, but progress. Yeah, it's a very valuable statement. All right, thank you for watching.